In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert your Canva project into a PDF file, a handy skill to streamline your creative processes and share your designs effortlessly. Whether you're working on a presentation, a poster, or a social media graphic, turning your creation into a PDF ensures it can be viewed on just about any device with consistent formatting. This short guide will walk you through the steps to achieve this, and soon you'll be able to convert your designs in just a few clicks. First, let's head to your Canva project. So go ahead and open Canva and navigate to the project you've been working on. Ensure the design you're looking at is exactly what you want in your final PDF. The interface might be familiar, or maybe this is your first venture, but either way, it's quite user-friendly. Take a moment here to double-check everything. Is the text aligned? Are the colors just right? This is your last chance to make any tweaks before we turn it into a PDF. Once you're all set, your next action is to look for the Share button. On the upper right corner of the Canva interface, you'll find it. Click on it, then look for the option to Download. This step takes us closer to having our design ready to distribute or print. Here, you'll find various download settings and file type options. Since you want a PDF, make sure to change the file type to PDF. In the drop-down menu, if it's not already selected, find the PDF Standard or PDF Print if you're planning to print the document in high quality. Each has its own use, with the print option being ideal for documents that require the highest quality resolution. After selecting the correct file format, go ahead and review your settings one last time. Confirm that the design selected is indeed the one you wish to convert. Once confident, hit that download button. Canva will take over and begin the conversion process. Depending on the complexity of your design and your internet connection, this could take just a few seconds. If you're working with larger files or numerous pages, simply be patient as Canva processes your request. Congratulations, your project is now downloaded as a PDF file and ready for any future need you might have, whether it's sending it to a colleague, uploading it to a website, or archiving it for later references. Just open the file from your download folder and admire your work. The beauty of PDFs is their versatility and the crisp preservation of your design elements. So whatever your next step is with this PDF, you're ready. Thanks for joining in this quick guide, and until next time, happy designing.